But here's why the snow is so heavy. So heavy. It's only about 30 degrees outside. You can hardly see my breath. Alright, grab a handful of it. It just sticks together. Best snowball snow in America right here. Just a second ago we had a branch on that tree right there snap off. It's still dangling. And I'm a little worried about that stuff there. Oh man, as you can see, the top of that tree is folded over. It's missing about 5 feet of tree. And if it was another 3 degrees, this would be rain. Probably, maybe 6 degrees. Pardon me.